Hey guys, Andy here. So we're outside at my car because a bit of a problem a couple of days ago. So regular viewers will know I do a lot of cycling these days. I commute on my bicycle a lot more. But the weather forecast wasn't so great on Thursday. I thought, well, I'll drive Thursday morning, I think. And I came out to the car and unfortunately, tick, 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 nothing. Now, right now, I've not got any power at all. So I've got a bit of a challenge for this NOCO Boost HD. So I remember seeing adverts for these things a while back that, well, I was going to say they're almost the size of your sort of portable battery for your mobile phone, but it is a bit bigger than that. I think, well, this is one of the bigger ones because it's rated up to starting up to 8-litre petrol engines. Mine's 4.6 litre, but I thought, well, actually this was on a lightning offer, it was about £15 off, cost me £144. Thought, let's give it a go. I've charged it overnight. Oh, I've just turned the light on. There is a light on there. There you go. Charged it overnight. It does say if you're charging at 1 amp, it's going to take about 14 hours. I don't know how many amps it was charging at, but I left it overnight, and you can see it filled up to the solid green, meaning it was full. Now, the idea being, you clamp it on to the positive and the negative terminal. I think I might need to leave it for 20 seconds or so and then try and start, since I've got no power. I'm not sure this is going to work. I'm not sure it can bring me in. I didn't realise, like I say, on Thursday morning it was at least tick, 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 tick. Now there's nothing. I had to open it manually with the key. The windows don't work. Nothing lights up on the dashboard. Doesn't look good, but let's give it a go and see if it can resurrect it. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I was dead. I was totally dead. There was nothing, not even the lights on the dashboard. Connected it up. I realised I'd left the ignition key kind of switched on. It was making loads of noises. It was trying to sort of do things with the power. So I just turned it off. I waited 10, 15 seconds. Fired straight up. It says it's still full power. Really impressive, really impressive. I promise you I've not fixed anything in that video. Honestly, there was nothing when I started, and it started straight up. So it was expensive at £144. This is the 8-litre petrol version, I think 4-litre diesel. I thought I wanted to just make sure I've got plenty of power. They claim you can do sort of 20 starts off one charge. I think that was this one. I mean, I'm going to pop it back on charge, but it is saying it's still full. So this is the kind of thing you can keep in your boot. You do a nice little carry bag with it. You can charge it via micro USB, although I don't know if you have to use the one that's included in the bag, or if you can use like any micro USB. I like that it folds away quite neatly like this, he says. Yeah, it goes in a little carry bag. You can use it to charge your mobile phone with the USB port on the back. You can charge off a cigarette lighter, or basically emulate a cigarette lighter. You can be a cigarette lighter power socket off the back of it as well. Seems a really good buy. I don't like this. How many times have I turned that torch on by mistake? Just from holding it. I don't like that. Apart from that, just turn it back off again now. In fact, seems a really good spend. It is expensive, but if like me, you are concerned that you're going to come out to your car when you need to get to work and it doesn't start, in a matter of seconds you're back on the road. Seems a really good idea. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you're going to buy one, please do use the link that I will use in the video description. If you've not already, obviously subscribe and like the video, check out some other videos. For now, my name's Andy, and I'll catch you all again soon.